At Car Keys Express, our motto is we make replacing car keys simple and affordable again. We say again because we're working harder than anyone to bring automotive key replacement back to retailers. Years ago, replacing car keys was easy and inexpensive everywhere, maybe even at your stores. Today, modern car keys are only available at dealerships. If the only place you can get a key for your car is an authorized dealership, that's a monopoly. Try to think of the last time a real monopoly was ended by a new retail product. It doesn't happen often, and when it does, it's a huge opportunity because first movers can fully exploit pent-up demand caused by the monopoly. Here's another way to understand the size of the opportunity. Remember, just like everyone, when you leave the house each morning, you take 5 things: the clothes on your back, the shoes on your feet, your phone, wallet, and keys. Each of these are multi-billion-dollar industries because, like car keys, everyone uses them every day. Now, let's look at the first 4. Think of how many clothing stores are in a typical city. And of course, it's the same with shoes, wallets, even phones. In fact, you can find all 4 in any one big box store, but not car keys. If you live in an average city, there's usually just 1 or 2 dealerships you can go to. And if you're in a rural area, maybe none. And it's been that way for decades. The replacement of modern automotive keys is a multi-billion-dollar industry without representation in the retail space. The deeper you look, the more you'll see it's not just a big opportunity. It could be the biggest opportunity you'll see for years to come. Next, learn how even we were surprised at the results of our first pilot at a big box store.